the dark. 'Cause once you let the light in, you won't see the beautiful stars shining down from afar. No, I ain't afraid of the dark. I don't mind the rain, bringing life back. We can breathe again when dealing with the pain. No, I don't mind the rain. And ooh, that's the way it goes. Life will teach you what you need to know. And ooh, like a river flows, life will take you where you need to go.
What makes a yummy chili?
You got to have lean meat, right consistency. You want to get meat that you would, be happy eating as a steak, and you want to grind that up. It's good to, mix in the right amount of fat content, instead of having too much, which is what you get often with the ground beef.
Yeah.
And again, the consistency is important as well. I like to grind mine kind of coarse.
Okay. How long does it cook? Does it cook a long time? Is that part of the equation?
So it cooks for probably 3 or 4 hours. So if you grind it coarse and then you let it cook for an extended period of time, it gets really nice and tender.
Yeah. And the whole house and the curtains smell like it.
Yes. Since there's a lot of onion chopping, I like to get bigger onions so I don't have to chop as many of them.
Oh, that makes sense.
Yeah, there we go.
How many?
Got 5.
Okay.
Yeah, big cloves.
Big cloves of garlic. How are you deciding?
I'm looking at the fat content.
Okay.
I'm looking at just the color
Marbling?
of it. Does it
Coloring?
look appetizing?
Got all the goods. Let's go home.
There's dinner in the yard, out behind the cars. Tonight we're gonna do.
How many cloves of garlic?
I'm gonna do like 8.
Wow.
I will make the things that I know how to make. You will make something more delicious. A sweet potato pie, a flimsy paper plate. Baby, I don't think it gets much better. There isn't much to keep. We lay down and fall asleep. Till the morning comes around to find love. I still keep with me little memories.
I don't know if you want to film this part.
Okay, so this is the fat right here.
Yeah, this is the
And
fat,
then
but
what you're
this is-
cutting off is...
Yeah, some people call it silver skin. It's just,
Okay.
it's just really tough.
It's tough skin. much butter, or did you just eyeball it?
Yes.
That's it? Wow. I guess I thought it was a lot more. So when you had chili with my dad, then did you have it his way with the, do you remember if you had it with the saltine crackers? How long do you cook the onions before you add the meat?
I don't know. I
Just kind of
kinda
cook
eyeball
them.
it.
Yeah, just translucent kind of.
Yeah.
First thing going in,
Cumin.
cumin. How much?
4 teaspoons.
Okay. 4 teaspoons cumin. Smoked paprika.
3 teaspoons.
3 teaspoons. Next up,
Cayenne.
how much cayenne are we adding?
Teaspoon, about practically a decent small.
Give it a good swirl around.
Yeah, I like to
Mix it up.
those seasonings a little bit before
Yeah.
I get the meat in there.
Okay.
I'm going to start sauteing the meat. So
Okay.
I'm going to add it in
Right.
portions.
In portions. Okay.
It's a lot of mixing.
When you ground the meat, did you grind it on a specific setting?
Yeah, like a medium.
A medium
Yeah.
grind?
Yeah, I mean, if you wanted your meat like to be really fine, you could use a finer thing, fitting, but you can also grind it more than once. That's what
Oh,
a
you
lot
can
of
put it back
people-
in.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's what a lot of people do if they want it really fine, is to grind it 2 or 3 times.
I didn't know that. How much salt do you add and pepper and stuff?
You do it to taste, but what I do is I get everything in the pot, including the adobo peppers and the chili powder, let it cook for a while, and then taste it.
Okay.
Usually you don't need to add pepper at that point because you've added lots of different peppers, but you may want to add salt. The thing
Okay.
is these spices like the chili powder, they have salt in them,
Right.
so you don't want
You have
to
to
go
be careful.
overboard.
Okay. How do you know when the adobo is supposed to go in?
Well, I usually just wait till the meat looks like it's pretty well cooked, and we're pretty close.
Is it like
Right, it's all
pink, still a little bit pink, but
a
mostly?
little bit, but yeah, I mean, it's mostly brown at this point. So we'll add the rotel and the adobo.
Incorporate that. Now it's time for the adobo. This looks so good now. That's how it's supposed to look. 3 ounces total of chili powder. Looks good. And it'll just cook there for a while.
For a while, yeah.
Like all afternoon. What are we making now?
Cornbread.
When you make the cornbread, do you just make it by the back of the package?
Yeah, basically. I got some cream corn.
Do you like Fritos or cornbread with your chili? What is this? What are you adding now?
Baking powder.
What does baking powder do?
Makes it rise.
So if you don't add baking powder, you're gonna have corn pancakes. Claggy. Prue would not approve. Okay, so always taste it and then salt it.
Yes, so we're both going to do this.
Okay, all right, you go first. How is it?
Need salt.
Is this
I
like
think.
Texas chili?
Yeah.
No beans.
Just
Beans
meat.
are in the other pot. Okay.
Yes.
Tell me what you think with regard to.
Yeah, it does need
What
salt.
about the spice level? Do you think the spice level can come up a little? Or is
Uh-huh,
it
just a little
bland?
bit.
A little bit.
Half an ounce of chili powder added. And now the salt. How much did you put in?
Teaspoon.
1 teaspoon salt, okay.
Titrate it up from there.
Titrate it up. Said like a chemist. Oh my gosh, that looks so good. Clean as a whistle. Let the seasonings sit then for a little while and taste them? Okay. So let them sit and then go back and taste it. And see if it needs to add more.
Yeah, but I'm thinking that I need more than a teaspoon of salt. That's what I just wanted to do a quick check on.
Yeah.
Yay!
Yeah, I think it's fine to mix them together. It's just that traditional Texas chili, you don't cook it with it.
Yeah.
Cornbread? Sure. Say yes.
I agree. So it's locked in. It was.
First bite, first test.
Yeah, good.
We gave them a run for their money, didn't we? Got it on film. Injectable butter? Okay, now grab it. Action. Go. Hit it.
Oh, my finger!
It's not funny.
Laugh.
I did.
My finger!
I was just wanting you to put it right here on this end of the pile.
No.
You did perfect.
Just kind of kicks the flavor up. It kind of makes it more pungent.
Takes it to flavor town.
You can't say that without. It's
Takes it to flavor stand.
Where is this taking it to?
Flavor aunt and uncle.
It's gone a long way from East Texas.
Yep. The things are good for you.
It smells delicious. Eliza, is there any part of our house that you can't smell the chili?